Good morning YouTube. Today is part 2 of our Tapawatra series. Today we're going to travel to Grandam. Grandam is a rapid further up the stream of the Suriname River. It is supposed to be the highest rapid or the highest Soela in this region, if I have to believe my guide.
Ja, meneer.
What are you having for breakfast today?
I'm having meat and bread for breakfast. No, rice with boelanger and chicken.
I am now getting ready for my trip to Grandam. I got my drone, I got my GoPro, everything ready. I'm hoping to get some nice images of Grandam. So we're finally ready to travel to Grandam. This is the furthest I will ever go in the interior of Suriname. Our main goal was actually Awaradam, but Grandam will have to do as the second best.
Hello world, hello YouTube world. It's me, the real Damien, as my imposter, fake Damien. Just told you we're going to Grandam with the group, and there we're gonna have a fun time with everybody. All right. So if you're thinking that was the me, I'm the real me. He's the fake me. So you'll see him because I can't do everything myself. That's why I have a stunt double, and he's gonna do most of the filming because I want him to do most of the filming. He's prettier than me.
We just arrived at the village named Godo. It's a mandatory stop to travel further to Grandam because the dam Tapawatra is too high. It's too high for the boat to actually, how do you say it? I'll say it in my language. It's too high to fahren through the rapids.
Doing a really good job. Thanks, man. Thanks. Hey, he's doing a good job. Keep watching. Put the like and subscribe button.
Our guide is not strong enough, so he asked us to carry the boat further.
We have to push the boat. Opsa don. Opsa.
What do you think of this plan?
We're gonna die, and we're gonna die as real men.
Mama, I love
We're
you.
going to die without safety vests.
Mama, I love you, Mama.
Lape. This is how we usually travel when the water tide is very low. There's a lot of pulling boats through rapids in the Suriname River. It was a very exhausting experience. It's my first time actually doing something like this. But the boat has managed to cross the rapids safely. But it's a very exhausting experience.
Commentary from the real Damien. This is what my stunt double goes through every time he's filming. I do the real work, but with filming you also get these kinds of results. He's a badass. Alright, back to the Fig Demon.
Ladies and gentlemen, after an hour of traveling through the Suriname River, the Gran Rio to be exact, we finally arrived at Grandam Sula. Grandam Sula is the first of many rapids you can come across when traveling through the Gran Rio. How did you find today's trip?
Oh, wait. I enjoyed it. It was kind of dangerous. The stones kind of made me scary, but it was a trip I definitely want to try again.
This is a very amazing place. I recommend people to come here. We're now getting ready to take the leap of faith. We're going to make a jump in the rapids and float to safety. Our guide doesn't want us to experience the full rapid because I think he's kind of concerned about the safety of his people, of us. So this has been Grandam. It's a nice rapid in the middle of the Suriname River. Through all that fun, I've lost my GoPro somewhere in the river, and now we gotta head back to camp. It's kind of a sad moment for me because the GoPro was actually the camera I started this channel with, and I really wanted to grow with that camera as a piece of memory because that's the camera that started it all. But I guess I have to get in my savings to buy a new one. So I'll see you when I'm at camp. So this has been my trip to Tapawatra. It's been a very fun 4 days, and if you would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in my next adventure. Peace.